Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mercedes-Benz check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0365, this video will help you understand exactly what's going on. Today, we'll cover what P0365 means, common causes, symptoms, and how to fix it properly. Let's get started. P0365 means camshaft position sensor B circuit, bank 1. This indicates the engine control module ECN is detecting a problem in the electrical circuit of the camshaft position sensor B on bank 1. Sensor B usually refers to the exhaust camshaft sensor, and bank 1 is the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. With Mercedes-Benz P0365, you may notice check engine light on, hard starting or long cranking, rough idle, engine misfires, poor acceleration, reduced fuel economy, engine stalling in some cases. The most common causes include 1. Faulty camshaft position sensor B, 2. Open or shorted wiring in the sensor circuit, 3. Loose, damaged, or corroded connector, 4. Oil contamination in the sensor plug, 5. Timing chain or camshaft alignment issues, 6. Low battery voltage, 7. ECM failure rare. It means that the engine control module detected the engine camshaft position sensor circuit is not within specifications. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0365 error code. Method A. The crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is most often located on the front underside of the engine. It can usually be found mounted to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on a crankshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. Method B. The camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0365 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD to scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.